8 Top Foods for Your Colon Detoxification. Greetings, viewers. Welcome to an invigorating episode designed to enhance both your palate and overall well-being. Today, we're delving into the culinary realm with a unique twist, aiming not just to delight your taste buds but also to cleanse the concealed corners of your body, specifically the colon. Join us as we explore the therapeutic aspects of food, focusing on the 8 best foods for unclogging your colon. Now, you might wonder, why should you be concerned about this topic? Did you know that the average person may carry up to 20 pounds of waste in their colon? Yep. It's a disconcerting thought, isn't it? Over time, this accumulation can lead to a sluggish metabolism, an imbalanced immune system, and an overall sense of not feeling your best. But fear not. Through the simple act of eating, you possess the ability to combat these issues, purify your colon, and enhance your overall health. The best part? The foods we're discussing today are not only delectable but also readily available, likely already residing in your pantry. Stay tuned as we unravel the top 8 foods that tantalize your taste buds while unclogging your colon. Number 1. Chia seeds. Let's introduce our first champion for colon health, the formidable chia seeds. Bursting with nutrients, these petite powerhouses are ideal for your colon and overall well-being. Originating from central and southern Mexico, chia seeds have been revered for their medicinal properties for centuries. When it comes to colon health, these seeds are a game changer, boasting an impressive 10 grams of dietary fiber in just 2 tablespoons. This substantial fiber content aids digestion by adding volume to stool, facilitating regular bowel movements, and naturally clearing your colon. Furthermore, chia seeds create a gel-like substance in the stomach, acting as a gentle scrub on your intestinal walls, aiding the unclogging process. In addition, chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory effects on the colon. High in protein, containing all essential amino acids, they're a perfect fit for vegetarian and vegan diets. With their versatility, you can incorporate chia seeds into your diet in numerous creative ways, from chia pudding to salad toppings or smoothie blends. The recommended intake is typically 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, but as with any food, it's essential to heed your body's signals and adjust portions accordingly. Embark on your journey to colon health with this nutritional powerhouse. Your body will thank you. Number 2. Psyllium husk. Now, onto the second star in our lineup, psyllium husk, a time-tested ally for colon health. Derived from the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant, primarily grown in India, psyllium husk is renowned for its high soluble fiber content. The magic lies in its hydrophilic properties, attracting and retaining water to form a gel-like substance. When consumed, this substance not only adds bulk to your stool but also softens it, easing its passage through the colon. The gentle yet effective scrubbing action aids in clearing out waste buildup, effectively unclogging your colon. Psyllium husk's benefits extend beyond the colon, with potential contributions to lower cholesterol levels, blood sugar control, and weight loss. Starting with a ½ teaspoon per day and gradually increasing to 2 teaspoons, spread throughout the day, is a general recommendation. Since psyllium husk absorbs a significant amount of water, ensure ample fluid intake to prevent it from thickening too much. Number 3. Apples. Moving on to a familiar favorite, the humble apple, a fantastic addition to colon-friendly foods. With around 4.5 grams of dietary fiber in a medium-sized apple, including both soluble, pectin, and insoluble fiber, apples play a crucial role in promoting colon health. Pectin, a standout component in apples, binds to fats in the intestines, facilitating the movement of waste through the colon. Additionally, apples boast polyphenol antioxidants, promoting digestive health and reducing the risk of inflammatory colon diseases. The presence of fructooligosaccharides, a unique soluble fiber, supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, further enhancing colon health. Beyond the colon, apples offer a range of health benefits, such as supporting heart health, reducing diabetes risk, and aiding in weight management. The ways to incorporate apples into your diet are limitless, from fresh consumption to inclusion in smoothies, salads, or desserts. While individual dietary needs may vary, generally consuming 1 to 2 apples a day can be a healthy addition to most diets. Whether enjoyed fresh or as a key ingredient in various dishes, remember that with apples, a flavorful treat can also contribute to a healthier colon. Number 4. The pears. Claiming the 4th spot is the delightful pear, often overshadowed by its close cousin, the apple. With a sweet taste and abundant health benefits, pears prove to be a valuable ally for colon health. Providing approximately 6 grams of dietary fiber in a medium-sized pear, including both soluble and insoluble fiber, pears support regularity, digestive health, and colon unclogging. Pectin, a non-digestible carbohydrate found in pears, aids in improving gut health by fostering the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon. Pears are not just beneficial for the colon, they also pack essential antioxidants like vitamin C and K, along with minerals such as potassium and copper. Regular consumption can contribute to heart health, immune function, and weight loss due to their high water content and low calorie count. Incorporating pears into your diet is a breeze. Enjoy them fresh, chopped into salads, baked into desserts, or poached in wine. A medium-sized pear per day is generally a suitable fit for most individuals' diets, aligning with the daily recommended fruit intake. Raspberries. Let's shift our focus to a visually appealing and delicious fruit with exceptional health benefits, the radiant raspberry. With nearly 8 grams of dietary fiber in a cup, raspberries stand out as a wise choice for maintaining colon health. The fiber content aids in reducing the transit time of waste, lowering the risk of constipation, and promoting overall colon health. Raspberries also contain ellagic acid, a polyphenol antioxidant with potential anti-cancer properties, particularly against colon cancer cells. In addition to colon health, raspberries offer a wealth of antioxidants, including vitamin C, quercetin, and gallic acid, protecting your body from free radical damage. With a low glycemic index, they are an excellent option for individuals managing diabetes. Enjoy raspberries in various ways: fresh, added to cereal or yogurt, tossed into salads, blended into smoothies, or incorporated into savory dishes. While the recommended intake may vary, a cup of raspberries a day can be a healthy addition to most diets, benefiting not only your taste buds but also your colon health. Number 6. The avocado. Securing the 6th position on our list is the avocado, a fruit that has taken center stage in the health food world. Recognized as a superfood, avocados offer numerous health benefits, particularly for the colon. With about 27% of your daily fiber needs in one whole avocado, it aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps unclog the colon. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados support the absorption of vitamins and antioxidants crucial for colon health. They also contain beta-sitosterol, contributing to healthy cholesterol levels. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse, containing vitamin K, E, C, and B vitamins. They surpass bananas in potassium content. Incorporating avocados into your diet is a culinary delight. Slice them for salads or sandwiches, mash onto toast, blend into smoothies, or use in delightful desserts. While individual dietary needs vary, a common serving size is about 1/3 of a medium avocado. It's important to note that, despite their health benefits, avocados are calorie-dense due to their fat content, so portion control is essential. Whether you're an avocado enthusiast or a newcomer, embracing avocados in your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, including a healthier colon. Number 7. Broccoli. Progressing to the 7th spot on our list is the versatile and nutrient-packed broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable not only adds crunch to your meals but also delivers a myriad of health benefits, especially for your colon. High in dietary fiber, with approximately 2.4 grams in a single cup, broccoli aids digestion by adding bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements, and naturally cleansing the colon. Beyond its fiber content, broccoli contains sulforaphane, a phytochemical with potential anti-cancer properties, particularly against colon cancer cells. Broccoli boasts additional health benefits, providing essential nutrients like vitamin C, K, and A, along with folate. With potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps ward off chronic diseases. Incorporating broccoli into your diet is a breeze. Steam it, stir-fry it, roast it, enjoy it raw in salads, blend it into soups, or add it to pasta dishes. While the recommended intake may vary, adding a cup of broccoli to your meals a few times a week can offer substantial health benefits, benefiting not only your colon but your overall well-being. Number 8. Chickpeas. Finally, we've arrived at the 8th spot, reserved for a versatile and nutritious legume enjoyed worldwide. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Offering a wealth of health benefits, chickpeas play a significant role in colon health. At the core of chickpeas' benefits is their high fiber content, with around 12.5 grams in a single cup of cooked chickpeas. This fiber adds bulk to stool, reduces transit time of waste in the digestive tract, and helps maintain a healthy colon. Chickpeas are also a rich source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle building and tissue repair. Chickpeas contribute key nutrients like folate, iron, and phosphorus while being low in fat and having a low glycemic index. These qualities support blood sugar control and heart health. Integrating chickpeas into your diet is a delightful experience. Add them to salads, stews, and curries, mash them into hummus, or use chickpea flour as a gluten-free alternative in baking. The recommended intake may vary based on individual needs, but generally, half a cup of cooked chickpeas a few times a week can provide significant health benefits. With their exceptional fiber content and various other health benefits, earn a well-deserved place in your diet. Supporting not only colon health but overall well-being, they are a smart choice for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Our journey through an exciting array of foods that tantalize taste buds and contribute to colon health has reached its conclusion. From chia seeds to chickpeas, these 8 superfoods promise to keep your colon unclogged, digestion smooth, and your body functioning at its best. Remember, a healthy colon is a cornerstone of overall wellness. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not only investing in colon health but also paving the way for a healthier, happier you. The best part? These foods offer a multitude of other health benefits, proving that healthy eating can be both holistic and delicious simultaneously. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your health is your wealth. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep that colon happy too.